In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase drawings in Microsoft Word. Whether you've used the Draw tab to create annotations, sketches, or freehand drawings, knowing how to remove them is essential for keeping your document clean and organized. To begin, open the Word document that contains the drawings you want to erase. If your Draw tab is not visible, go to the File menu, click on Options, and then choose Customize Ribbon. Make sure the Draw option is checked so the Draw tab appears on the ribbon. This will give you access to all the drawing tools in Word. Once the Draw tab is visible, click on it to see your drawing tools, including pens, pencils, highlighters, and the eraser. If you only want to remove specific strokes, select the Eraser tool. You'll notice that the eraser has different sizes depending on the complexity of your drawing, so choose the one that best fits your needs. After selecting the eraser, move your cursor over the drawing you want to remove. Click and drag over the lines, shapes, or strokes you wish to erase. Word will remove the selected portions while leaving other parts of the document intact. For precise erasing, zoom in on the drawing to ensure you don't accidentally remove nearby text or other elements. If you want to remove the entire drawing at once, use the Select Objects tool under the Draw tab. Click on the drawing to select it. Then press the Delete key on your keyboard. This method quickly removes the entire object without needing to erase each stroke individually. Another tip is that you can switch between drawing and erasing easily. Simply select the Pen tool to continue drawing or make adjustments after erasing parts of your sketch. This makes editing your drawings seamless and efficient. Finally, once you've erased the unwanted lines or completed your adjustments, save your document to preserve the changes. This ensures that your document remains clean, organized, and ready for sharing or printing. And that's it. You now know how to erase drawings in Microsoft Word, whether you need to remove specific strokes or entire drawings to maintain a polished and professional document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.